new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a frame off restored 1973 Bronco. Very, very nice. Just as nice as they get. Red, black interior. Underneath looks like the top. Just super nice. All the chrome trim right work. Just nicely done. Just purrs. Good body lines. Nice example. Couple small chips that were on that's been driven a little bit that have been touched up, and I'm talking small. Here's a little one there. There's a little one there. Got a matching spare tire. All the bolts inside you can see are all new, all been painted. Nice. Mickey Thompson's BF Goodrich all-terrain radials. Just a nice example. You'll find about 75 to 100 pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. Like to fly in and check this out in person, more than happy to pick you up. Just forward us your itinerary and we'll pick you up, take you to one of our 3 warehouses and view any of the vehicles that we have in stock. We welcome third-party inspections. We have a lift. Do whatever we can to accommodate you so you feel comfortable with your purchase. If you want to pick up the phone and call somebody, my name is Mark. Reach me at 314-346-6039, and I'll try to answer any questions you have. Just a nice example. Oh, I forgot got a nice heavy-duty center console with a built-in sound system stereo, I should say, and got the 3-speaker behind the dash. Hold it up. So nicely done. Attention to detail. Just a stand-up ride. Take this for a ride, David. It's about to rain. We have a little bolt in the back. Need to tighten up the got a seat bolt that's a little bit loose. So you hear a little bit of rattle. We'll get that squared away. We are low on fuel, your oil pressure, temp, showing 2,610 miles on the odometer, your blinker, your alternator. Nice driving with tight suspension on them. Just straight down the road. Again, you'll find all these pictures we took today at www.westportautocenter.com. Please like and share the video, help us grow the channel. Leave your comments and feedback below. We welcome it, good, bad, ugly. And let us know if there's anything you'd like us to video. We'll do our best to accommodate. Again, you can reach me, Mark, at 314-346-6039. Again, this is the nut and bolt restored 73 Bronco. Nicely done. Uncut. A lot of Bronco for the money. Thanks for watching.